this is Motorola's adaptive display concept. What's unique about it is you can have a fully flat standard device with a 6.9-inch display, or I can place it on my wrist like you see here. And when it's on my wrist, it automatically adjusts, and I can still have that full Android experience right from my wrist. When I want to take it off, maybe sit down at my PC, get some work done, you'll see it's totally flat here. I can put it into what we call tent mode. And from here, I can see all of my applications, my notifications, hand-free, or I can play a quick game of Connect 4. You can see player 1 here,
Player 2
here, so on and so forth. I can also use it as a tripod, which is great for when I'm sitting at my PC. Maybe I want to use it as a video camera for my video calls or for group selfies. We can also, I will show you the back of the device here. So because it is an adaptable and bending device, we had to think outside the box when it came to battery. So we can't use the flat rigid battery that you see in most of the devices you're holding here today. So we had to think outside the box. We pulled together multiple small batteries here and put them in a link format, and they are all connected by this unique hinge that almost operates the way your spine moves, and that's what allows it to bend and mold and hold different states. And because I can put this on my wrist, it becomes a bit of a fashion statement. Hold on 1 second here. Because I wear it on my wrist, I want it to match my outfit because obviously I need to look good. So we have a new application here that we're testing out called generative theming. This uses generative AI to capture an image of my outfit. So let's say I'm wearing this gorgeous dress here. Actually, I love your top. Any questions? I can show you here.
It's waterproof?
We haven't gone that far in terms of durability yet. We are still kind of exploring what would be necessary to make sure that it's a durable device from all fronts. But since we're in that concept stage, we're still very much working through those types of details.
Is it ready for sale?
No, we're still in the concept stage,
concept.
so haven't even reached full prototype stage yet.
Can you bend it the other way around?
No, it goes this way.
Okay.
For the other way around, please see a razor.
Thank you.
Yeah, of course.